stock, crypto, credit moves. Good evening, YouTube. Back with another update on RubyMine. RubyMine been out for about a week and it's blown up to 18,315 AVAC contracts. Currently, I'm holding 1,764 rubies, which is creating about 1.5 AVACs a day, which is equivalent to about $130. Another banger, guys. Great cash flowing machine. The community is strong. The paperwork is tight. The contract is immutable. That's what we want in these platforms. Once when it's set on the blockchain, we don't want the devs to be able to go in and make any changes. So that's what we like. So it's only been out a week and it's already at 1.4 million AVACs. So AVACs took a dip this week and it's looked like it's recovering, which is good. And that shows the in and out. Looks like more people are actually investing, reinvesting than actually eating right now, which is what we would like to see in a new platform. So everything is going according to plan, guys. You just put in these platforms what you can afford to lose. It's nothing to get stressed out about. We would like to get in these platforms early so we can maximize the compounding. And that's really where you're going to make your money, is by compounding 6 days and eating 1 day. You just stick to that strip and you're good to go. These platforms are definitely for someone that's looking for long-term passive income. If you're looking for a quick flip, then these miners are definitely not for you. These are for people looking for long-term passive income. So I've been in for about 4 or 5 days and I've been reinvesting. Probably another 3 days, I'll probably do a live withdrawal so you guys can see that everything is working according to plan. But RubyMiner, another solid platform, is paying out in the AVACs, and it's on the Avalanche network. So guys, y'all go ahead and come in with what you can afford to risk, and let's get this AVACs up. Let's get our incomes up, guys. We're headed towards the middle of the year. We're at war. Inflation's high. Take a chance on yourself so you can get out that situation you don't like. You don't like your job, this is definitely a way to exit the workforce. But it's going to take some risks. It's going to take some studying. And you're going to have to put in some effort to learn good platforms from bad ones. All of them, any one of these can go down any day. So you definitely have to put in what you can afford to lose. So guys, I'm going to stop here today. Like, share, subscribe, and until next time, signing off.